Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Gimp tutorials how to tilt image. For example, I will open image, can click file, open, search for your image, click open. We have this image with a transparent background, and if you want to tilt this image, we can use the rotate tools. Click at this icon, hold, then you can choose a rotate. After it, select the image and be sure for rotate the dialog box. You can rotate the image like this, or you can set the angle by clicking at this point, like we set into 35 degree. You also can set for the center points. Here we use default. If you want to apply this angle, you can click rotate. So it will be automatically rotating the image object. Okay, that's it for basic game tutorials how to tilt image. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.